Welcome to my video on constructing parallel lines with a compass and straight edge. So to begin with, we start by drawing our first basic line here that we want to make a line parallel to. There's the line, we'll just call it L. Now we want to pick just a point up here, and this other parallel line is going to go through that. That's what we're trying to work on. So the first thing we want to do is draw another line segment, another line that goes through our original line down here and through that point. So it's just going to be another reference point for us. Now we want to get our compass and we'll draw a couple of arcs, and these don't have to be any particular, we just want them less than this. Let me make it a little bit bigger. Okay, we're going to make an arc that goes like that, that cuts these two lines, and then we want to make another arc that goes like that. So once we've got that, now we're going to use as our reference point. What we're going to do is we're going to basically transfer this angle up here in effect. So let's measure this distance right here. So we're measuring the distance this arc cut between these two lines right here. Now what we want to do is go up here and place this right here and draw a line right there, a little arc right there, and so where those intersect. Now we want to get our straight edge back again and connect on these two, this dot, this intersection point, and then this original point here. Now, the more accurate you do this, the more parallel the lines will be. If you really were doing this for real serious, you'd probably do multiple of these so you could get a good. So let's just check that real quick. Let's just make sure they are parallel. For approximate validation, let's measure with our centimeter scale. Looks like about 48 and 48 centimeters. Well, 4.8 centimeters. So these lines are parallel by definition. They should never touch. In theory, go on forever. That's what a line does. So there we have it. We've constructed a line, this line right here, parallel to this line through this point. Hope you got something out of this video, and if you did, give me a like, a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. Also, any comments are appreciated. Thank you.